I have an event coming up where I want to put 2 motorcycles in the bed of this truck. I was hoping to do it with leaving that toolbox in there. It looks like in order to do this, I'll just have to remove the tailgate because it's actually kind of a camping event. So we'll be pulling the travel trailer, so I can't use the cargo trailer which I normally use, which I can reasonably comfortably put 3 bikes in there, one of which goes on this Pitbull trailer restraint, my 500, and it's very secure. I'm no expert in loading bikes in the back of a truck and getting them all tied down and secure, so I'll show you what I'm up to. I'm running a simulation at the moment where the truck bed goes from that expansion joint in the concrete to this further piece of blue tape over here. I took the Condor Chock out of the cargo trailer. I took the Harbor Freight Chock out of the utility trailer over there, so I can reasonably tie this bike down to that, and this bike sets up nice in that chock. And the problem with all of this is this stuff needs to be secured in the truck. In other words, that Harbor Freight Chock, that Condor Chock, are going to want to slide around in the bed of that truck. Just so happens I have a bunch of this 1-inch galvanized square tubing in stock. So this side is going to connect to the Harbor Freight Chock. This side is going to connect to the Condor Chock. That's going to tie them together. Then I'm going to put another eye bolt here and one here so I can tie this thing off in the bed of the truck. Here is my plan. Here's the 1-inch square tubing. This side is going to bolt up to this chock here. I may cut this off, I don't know, because I may end up, this hole was already in there, so I may put an eye bolt over here. So same thing over here. These 2 holes right here will go into the Condor Chock, an eye bolt here, and again potentially another eye bolt over there. So that'll keep these 2 motorcycles, the front, from sliding around into each other, moving side to side. Additionally, I'm going to bolt this pre-drilled hole and this pre-drilled hole into that toolbox. So lots of points getting secured to hopefully keep anything from moving. So I marked the center line of these 2 holes on this bar here. Here's the center of the piece of aluminum on the Condor Chock. Same thing over here. There's the center line, there's the center line of that. So now I can just mark these holes, and I need to drill out this thing, and I need to drill out this thing. Off to the drill press we go to drill those 2 holes and those 2 holes, and then reassemble, see how it works. Got quite a bit of drilling to do. This is fairly thick steel. In Ken's custom machine shop, nothing but the best equipment here. See, the drill bit is bending. This thing is not flat. This one's proving to be a little more challenging. I had to put some 2x4s under here because of this rudder. Get to this one? Nope. I have to flip it over. I decided to go ahead and drill this thing all the way through on this one while I have the table moved all the way over here. One more size. Here we go, 7/16 hole. I'm going to run 3/8 stainless steel bolts through here. 2 holes drilled. I stepped right up to 7/16 on this one. Hope it works. It's almost dinner time, so I gotta get going. Nice. That's what you get when you have the best tools, huh? Beautiful. Have to deburr these. I'm gonna go see if I got it all in the right place. See if it lines up. So I have these 3/8 24 stainless steel bolts. Pretty looking, but zinc plated lock nuts. I'll put some anti-seize on here because they will have a tendency to lock up. Oh yeah! What did I do with the Harbor Freight part? Seems to be MIA. I lost a big metal chunk. First one lined up perfect. What are the chances that I'll be 2 out of 2? Oh, it's still under the motorcycle tire. And the answer is 2. Look at that. Let's get this thing buttoned up, roll the bikes on, make sure it works. I got to get everything cleaned up so I can put the garage back together and get the car back in here. I did put anti-seize on these threads. Keep this thing from sliding. Let's see what happens. Ding. It should work. This is going to keep the two chocks from sliding together. Nice. Is that all I need to do right now? I think so. And put my garage back in order. I gotta get this guy covered up. I spent many hours Saturday getting it ready for the show. I'm trying to keep the dust off even though riding in the back of the truck. It's gonna get ruined. Dusty. The Thrasher bike. All rebuilt. Just needs a facelift. Pull the car in now. Oh, after I cover this guy up. Resting till July 15th, I think. Here's the plan. I hope it works. It's quite heavy. Yeah. It's a lot of stuff. Is it gonna fit? Hope it works. I think it will work. I have to pull it out because we have a camping trip planned. Of course, then I gotta get the motorcycles up there without crashing them. I don't know, looks pretty good. I'm gonna bolt that one right there into the toolbox and that one right there into the toolbox. So that one will get bolted there. I'll have to put a spacer in there. And that one will get bolted there. I'll have to put a spacer in there. 500 will go here. The 350 or something will go here. Maybe the R1, I don't know. I'm going to go slow at first. You know, see here, it just...
Is it moving to the side?
It's fine. Can you try to roll?
Yeah.
Oh, that's helpful. Okay, hang on. Oh, no, I can't push. Okay, push. Okay, hang on.
And like a brake.
Yes. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Yay!
Okay, hang on. You can let
Got
go.
it? You.
Oh,
You.
sin.
You.
Okay, it worked. I think I'm good to go. That was a lot of effort, but Laguna Seca, here we come. I think I got really spoiled using my cargo trailer.